What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price, not only the NIO ticker, but the entire market as well. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point when we formed the top of our third wave and we were seeking the bottom of our fourth wave, and my main assumption was that we have this movement to the upside from the very bottom, from the price point of roughly $20 as our first wave diagonal, and in this wave we have to have an overlapping among all the waves, and we have to have each next wave shorter than previous one, and we have it. And unfortunately it is not the range of support, and I don't need it for now, and it is not the range of resistance, and we have the bottom of our fourth wave right here and the top of our fifth wave right here. Technically we have double top pattern, and I have to say that we also hit the 55 exponential moving average on a 12 hours time frame, and from this range we went lower. So this movement to the downside has a quite huge volume, and we have to keep an eye on this movement because we shouldn't break the bottom of our first wave. In this case, we will remain bullish. So let's switch to 4 hours time frame in order to see this movement in details. And we have this movement to the downside with an extended hours on a pre-hours trading. And what was the reason of this movement? First of all, let me show you the bigger picture of entire markets. As you can see, all indexes are in red. S&P 500 lost about 0.72%, Dow Jones lost about 0.68%, Nasdaq lost about 1.23%, and Russell 2000 lost about 0.92%. So markets are in red. And here's the main news why we have this decrease in the entire markets. Stocks renewed declines as Russia-Ukraine tensions ramp. And let me show you this news on NewYorkTimes.com. And this news was published just several minutes ago. It was updated 29 minutes ago. And let me quote you this. President Biden said on Friday, the United States has intelligence showing that President Vladimir Putin of Russia has made a final decision to invade Ukraine, rejecting the final efforts of diplomacy. We have reason to believe the Russian forces are planning to intend to attack Ukraine in the coming week, in the coming days. Mr. Biden said in the Roosevelt Room at the White House, "We believe that they will target Ukraine's capital, Kyiv, a city of 2.8 million innocent people." And I have to say that it is very sad news overall, because the war is a bad thing and nothing can change this opinion. But markets react to this news definitely by massive sell-off. And let's continue with some positive news related directly to NIO. And this article was published on Seeking Alpha on February 17th, and it's titled, "Can NIO stock recover in 2022?" And I want to read you only the summary, and you will find out that NIO has a very strong potential to ramp up price higher in 2022. So NIO has lost as much as 43% of its value this year, buckling under mounting pressure from ongoing supply chain challenges and a large regulatory overhang on US-listed Chinese stocks. Yet the underlying business fundamentals have continued to show strength, with robust delivery volume growth amidst a protracted chip supply shortage. The EV maker is slated for further share gains this year, with the rollout of its first sedan models and continued expansion across Europe, buying additional market penetration. NIO's upcoming launch of a lower-priced sub-brand is also expected to drive further mass-market adoption of its vehicles, underpinning greater market share growth beyond the premium EV cohort. With NIO increased addressable market enabled by new vehicle models and extended geographic footprint being a material growth catalyst in the near term. The stock is slated for a turnaround later this year, making it an attractive investment at current price levels. And I have to say that a lot of fundamental news, a lot of good fundamental news related to NIO might drive the price of this company higher. And let me show you just some of them. So, NIO says its flexible battery upgrade service has accumulated over 8,700 users. And by the way, we are on cnvpost.com, and this article was published on February 17th. And let me quote you the subtitle. NIO customers who wish to upgrade their battery packs can choose to do so either permanently or on an annual or monthly basis. And definitely, this is one of the new points of its growth, because a lot of people might use in their ordinary life the lower capacity batteries, but if they need, they can upgrade these batteries for the bigger batteries in order to increase the range. And definitely it is a very good feature that might attract new customers. On top of that, let me show you this news. On February 15th, we have this article, and it says NIO confirms new model ES7 to be unveiled in April. Delivery expected within the year. And definitely the increase in their lineup shows the huge potential of this company. And I have to say that ES7 is the model codenamed Gemini and is aimed at competing with the BMW X5L, which will be released this year. So it is quite a big SUV, and I have to say that the more models this company has, the higher exposure on the market they will have. And definitely it is a very good sign. On top of that, let me show you right here on the smart money list we have a lot of new green rows, and green rows represent new positions that were opened just recently. And let me show you the bigger picture right here. On this chart you can see the institutional ownership of NIO stock, and the latest bar right here has a huge increase in its value. This means more and more institutional investors are opening their new positions or adding to their existing position last month, and it is a very good sign from the fundamental standpoint. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if it is the complete structure of 5 waves, we can project some levels of retracement where we might land. And if we won't see massive negative news for entire market that will drive the price of NIO down, we might hit the golden pocket range. It is the price point at $22.31 to $22.51, and statistically it is the most probable range of trend reversal. And from this point we might have a huge reaction to the upside, and potentially we might have the beginning of next uptrend. And if it is the case, you might start to accumulate your position at current level at $23.25, but you have to keep in mind that the ranges of $22.3 might be also very attractive from the investor standpoint. And if you want to catch the trade, for now I still don't recommend you to enter the position, because for now we have high volatility times on the markets, and that's why you have to be extremely cautious. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!